Hi there. If you are using Mac PC, then the uninstall process is not the same as Windows. Let's see how to uninstall properly. Come to Dock. Click Finder. Applications. All the apps you installed is here. Now go to the app. Right-click. And move to Trash. Put the password. And it's uninstalled. Same way, uninstall all the apps do not need. When done, come back to Recycle Bin and empty the trash. This will clean the uninstalled apps leftover from Mac machine. So, this is how you can uninstall apps on Mac computer. Hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Inspire. Goodbye.